This is day 4 of me styling my natural hair using gel, and like I normally mention in my videos is that the most I can have gel in my natural hair is up to 1 week. Okay, and I'm really loving this series because I love styling my hair, just playing around with different hairstyles. So if you are tired of having braids or twists in your natural hair, you can always rock different hairstyles. That is how versatile our natural hair is. So as you all saw in the beginning of the video, we started off by spraying our hair using water, and that is just to basically melt down the gel that we had on our previous hairstyle. So normally what the water does to the hair is just to soften it. It will be easier for you to like manipulate your hair when you spray it using water. You can even add leave-in conditioner. Okay, once I've sectioned my hair right at the middle and I feel like my part is like clean enough, I'll just take my afro comb and comb the hair just to smoothen it. So I'm just going to again spray some more water, and then after that I will use my Bamsi Wax. You can always use any braiding gel of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to be using Bamsi Wax to like mold my hair into place before I start doing the cornrow. If you're just coming across my video for the very first time, welcome. My name is Jana Tungo. I do create hair content, so if it's something that you enjoy watching, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and I will truly appreciate all your support here, guys. This is the time that I'm going to let this video play so that you all can see and understand exactly what I'm doing, and I'm hoping that this tutorial is going to you're going to learn a thing or two by the end of this video. And if you will, please again don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.
Can I tell you what I loved about you? All the reasons to make it hard without you. Hard without you. Because back then, if I could do it again, would've made it less, so I wouldn't lose you. I wouldn't lose you. 'Cause you were gone too soon, and my only rescue to get lost in the memories. I cannot believe that you left me here now. 'Cause you're not for me to keep, and I hope that you hear me when I talk to you. Trust me, there's a lot of things that I wish you knew. 'Cause you tell me exactly what I should do. Wouldn't be questioning my every move. All I do with me is for you. You do. All I do with me is for you.
When I reach towards the end of the cornrow, I'll just add in extension. Okay, because by the time we're done with doing this hair, we're going to put it into like a little bun. Okay, so I'm going to add in extension. If your hair is way longer than mine, you don't have to add in extension.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause
I'm just showing you a close-up of how this handwork is, because this is literally handwork. I'm telling you, but at the end of it, it will be all worth it, and I cannot wait to I cannot wait for you all to see the finished look, because I loved these two cornrows, and this is like one of my go-to hairstyle anytime I want to have like a lazy girl hairstyle, so this is my one to go hairstyle. And let me know in the comment section if it is something that you're going to give it a try, because I just want to hear your thought about this hairstyle as well.
To make it hard without you, hard without you. Because back then, if I could do it again, would've make it less, so I wouldn't lose you. I wouldn't lose you. 'Cause you were gone too soon, and my only rescue still get lost in the memories. I cannot believe that you left me.
So loves, right about now I'm just laying my hair into place, and then after which I'll just secure the back of my hair just like so using my hair tie. Okay, and then the last step now is to wrap my hair using my scarf and let it sit for, you know, some time before we go to the last step. Okay guys, so I am back and this is how my hair is looking like, and I'm loving every bit of it. Okay, so right about now I'll just take my Marley hair, so I'm going to attach it onto my bun, you know, just like so, and then after that I'm going to divide it into two, then I'll just twist each side, and then I'm going to wrap it onto my natural hair band.
Back then, if I could do it again, would've make it less, so I wouldn't lose you. I wouldn't lose you. 'Cause you were gone too soon, and my only rescue still get lost in the memories. I cannot believe that you left me here now. 'Cause you're not for me to keep, and I hope that you hear me when I talk to you. Trust me, there's a lot of things that I wish you knew. 'Cause you tell
So guys, this is basically it for today's video. Hope you've learned a thing or two, and if you did, again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now and take care.